Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another airdrop opportunity. The project is called Seek Network. This project is similar to Grass and NodePay, which you may already know. That means you can run a node to earn points for an airdrop. You will find lots of information on their website. You can also visit their documentation where they briefly share all the details. So let's check what they say about what Seek is. The Seek project is basically a worldwide initiative where people share their unused internet data and computer power. If you check their X profile right now, they only have 347 followers. That means we're joining this project very early. Also, if you scroll down, you'll notice they share lots of information about their project, which is another positive sign. Before joining the airdrop, if you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description. Simply click that link and you'll land on this page. First, you need to fill out this form, choose your username, enter your password, click on register. Solve the puzzle. Then enter your username and password again and click login. You will land on the dashboard. Here, first click on the node list option. Then click on add new node. You'll find lots of options to run a node, such as browser extension, Windows, Mac or Linux. I select the browser extension here. You'll land on the Chrome Web Store page, so download and install the extension. After that, log in using the same username and password. And you're done. Click on start. And after some time, your points will be added. As you can see, the balance is counting. In the referral section, you'll find your referral link, which you can share with your friends. The referral system works in 5 levels. If you refer someone, you get 20%. If you refer someone else, you get 10%, and so on up to level 5. On the dashboard, you can also check your balance. This shows how many Seek tokens you've earned by running nodes. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.